This is like a mode where pilots and passengers are going to throw up completely. Okay, the barf bags are full inside the helicopter. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Salishan here. Welcome outdoor to this new area where you can camp. I'm planning to bring family here as well. You can camp here, barbecue, and fly seaplanes. I haven't flown my Icon A5. I can bring it here and fly in the river, so we'll do that later. But hey, welcome to this area and the flight of the Blackhawk UH-60 RC helicopter. I have set it up with the Radio Master TX16S, so let's fly it. Well, can it drive off-road? Yes. Say you can actually taxi even off-road with this helicopter. MashaAllah, beautiful. So that was a nice takeoff right there. Now we are in the air. At the moment it's in 6G mode, so very easy to fly. I also set up the flight modes, that is 3D, where you can flip-flop and do 3D with this and let the pilot and passengers throw up. And I have also done this idle up one setup where it stays in 6G mode, but head speed goes higher and you have pitch control on, man, I shouldn't go far, it's hard to see. You have pitch control on the helicopter main blades, okay, see, but it doesn't switch to 3D mode, so it's actually like a sports mode. It's still in 6G mode all the time, but you can handle more winds, there's more head speed, and do sports flying, more high-speed flights, but no 3D, because this is a scale helicopter. You don't want to do 3D. Flight mode normal. This is normal flight mode where you don't have the pitch control. I mean the 3D pitch control, the blades don't go negative. It's a normal pitch curve and you can still fly it nice and fast. Ooh, look at that. There is this fast train. Man, that's like every 10 minutes there's a train passing by. Some stations in China, they have every 2 minutes a train is departing nowadays, because a lot of people are going for New Year holidays back home, and then they will be back to work later. But anyway, I'm just flying it like a scale helicopter, and hold on, I had to do this, man.
20 seconds.
This is like a mode where pilots and passengers are going to throw up completely.
Flight mode normal.
Okay, the barf bags are full inside the helicopter. Let's get the pilots and passengers out with a beautiful, nice landing after this one circle around. And come in for a nice scale landing. Okay, clean up the area, settle it down right here. Superb.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.